on the way to? Where you going to? What lies ahead? You're on your way to what? I'm on my way to retirement. I'm on my way to a better job. I'm on my way to a holiday. I'm on my way to the Netherlands. But what then? What's next? What lies ahead for you? Luke 24, and there in the start of the chapter, we see that on the first day of the week, that's Sunday, the Jews agreed that the first day of the week was Sunday. Very early in the morning, a group of women went up to the grave to go and do what tradition taught them to do, and that was to go and take the body and wrap it in spices. And it was part of their tradition, part of their dealing with trauma and death. They were on their way there and probably going through their mind, how are we going to get to this body? Because, there's a stone in the way, there's soldiers in the way. But as they got there, verse 2 and 3 says, they found the stone rolled away. The one thing that the enemy did through the Pharisees and the Roman soldiers to make sure that nobody steals the body, so that what Jesus said that he will raise up on the third day, they tried to block it. That thing became the strongest testimony of the truth of the resurrection of Jesus. What the enemy plans, God will always use to his glory.